How to make eclair paste or choux paste. So we need to bring our milk and water and a pinch of salt to boil. Add your fat, your butter. Let it melt. Once your butter has melted, you can add your flour. Continue stirring. Stir until the paste forms a ball and pulls away from the sides of the pan. It becomes like a paste. Your dough temperature needs to be around 60 degrees. Mine is 57. Add eggs gradually to dough. Here it is. The dough you should have after adding your eggs. Fill it up in a piping bag.